Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 was launched more than a week ago, and now things are clearing up. This is the most successful foldable of this year. You can pre-order Z Fold 4 and get a free credit, or you can trade off your old Galaxy device. T.M. Roek, the president of Samsung Mobile Experience Business, said by 2025 foldable items will take up more than 50% of Samsung's total premium smartphone shipments. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the future of productivity. Z Fold may be expensive, but $1,800 gets you a tablet-sized screen. Galaxy Z Fold 4 brings new hardware and software features from last year. Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with a 4,400 mAh battery and managed to last 9 hours 18 minutes in a single charge. Samsung has a performance profile on Z Fold 4, which means you can either go as a standard or light performance mode. Now out of the box, Z Fold 4 was set to light mode for a long-lasting battery, with more power efficiency processors. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Z Fold 4 big figures, with such a small battery for 7.6-inch display. The phone comes with standard as default, which runs the chipset at its full potential, but the light mode is designed to help save the handset's battery life and run it cooler. The new light performance mode reduces the clock speed of the chipset by a couple of 100 MHz, so it doesn't limit the 120 Hz refresh rate and doesn't limit the background process. This Fold 4 is excellent. UX is enhanced by its strong performance profile, but simply there are no hitches to speak of in everyday use of its Fold 4. Everything opens and loads quickly, and this is only enhanced by both displays having 120 Hz refresh rate for that extra smooth look. What's most impressive is have 3 app windows open at the same time without the device giving off any impression that is buckling under the stress of you doing that. Meanwhile, the Z Fold 4 didn't get a 108 megapixel sensor like the S22 Ultra, but with the 50 megapixel camera, Z Fold 4 performs very well. And that all happens to a better optimization. Z Fold 4 produced more saturated shots than the S22 Ultra, although Z Fold 4 get a 10x zoom. Are you going to update from your old Galaxy device to a new Z Fold 4? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.